So variables are boxes, small boxes, or the spaces in memory that you can save information, and just save whatever you need, any value that you need to use later. You can store that information in a variable, and you can change and update the information that variable has. You can name a variable however you want. You don't need to declare it, just name it. I think you cannot use uppercase to start the variable, but I'm not sure about that. So let's say this is going to be called my variable, and you want to save, let's see, you want to store the value of pi, right? That's your variable. If you want, you can use this later, but you can also update the information. Let's say you do some calculations, and then you say, no, actually my variable is actually going to be 5 plus 5. Okay, your variable will now be 10. Okay, in this case it's just 3. Okay, the difference between a variable and a constant is exactly that you can change the value of this box. However, you cannot change the value of a constant. Okay, you can also use the variable inside the variable. Okay, this is also the syntax. You just first the name, okay, first the name, then equal, and then the value that you want to assign. You can say my variable plus 5, for example, and in this case, force of habit, and in this case it will give you 15, right? Because at this moment it was 10, and then you added 5, it's just 15. It's again very simple. Okay, so that's basically variables. You can store any data type that we saw from the beginning. You can store it as a string. You can store, let's say, a variable is going to be true, and that's okay with Python. Even if it was a number and then it's a boolean and then it's a string, whatever, it's fine. It doesn't care. Okay.